This is a review of the Matter and Form 3D scanner. The Matter and Form portable 3D scanner is the world's first truly affordable 3D scanner. Make your ideas a reality and fast-track the design process. Compose to slide sleekly into your workspace. Keep your scanner and workspace clear and distinct with a combined case that protects both the turntable and the camera. Easily fold up the base when not in use. No other protecting or storage case needed. Create watertight 3D models within 0.25 mm of the size and detail of the original object. Scan items up to 190 mm by 190 mm by 250 mm in size while capturing approximately 2000 points a second. Software saves files as STL, OBJ and point cloud. Apply files for maximum compatibility. Watch real-time scanning as your object form as a feature cloud, a set of data points that describe the external surface of your object in real time as the scanner does its thing. Manufacturer description: the connecting superior performance with intuitive usability. The Matter and Form 3D scanner is an affordable, high-resolution 3D scanner that is compressed, transferable, fully constructed and easy to use, reasonable out of the box. Use your Mac or Windows PC to provide accurate, complete color scans at interpretation qualities that match atop what more worthwhile scanners can perform. It works with nearly any 3D printer or online printing service, and it allows users to scan small items to create a digital 3D model. It is also capable of producing sophisticated, high-resolution 3D representations. Matter and Form MFS1V1 3D scanner background. While 3D print practitioners have admittance to well over 1 million project designs accessible online for small and no cost, you may not find CAD drawings for individually created or owned things. In this situation, designers and engineers benefit from owning a 3D print scanner. The Matter and Form 3D scanner is a favorite gadget for the job. In addition to being affordable, the movable device is highly user-friendly. Adam Brandev and Drew Cox are the two designers who founded the organization. The men revealed the plan to produce the output after exploring for a 3D scanner within their budget and discovered that one did not exist. While originally manufactured for designers, the pair soon gained the interest from a diverse group of people that combined educators, engineers, gamers and hobbyists. Positive Matter and Form review providers include a game developer associated with the Oculus Rift project, which used the device to scan landscape items for his sci-fi virtual reality game entitled IO Moon. Matter and Form 3D scanner basics. Anyone completing the investigation on 3D scanner reviews will be hard-pressed to find a more highly rated device with equivalent functionality and value than the Matter and Form unit. Sleek and compact inner display. The scanner measures 4.3 by 11, 9 by 21 inches discovered and weighs a mere 6.7 pounds. Not unlike a little waffle iron, the scanner collapses in half for a modest footprint covering just 3.5 inches by 8.35 inches by 13.5 inches. The holder at the top of the scanner bangs open to disclose the invention. The grip then folds down under the unit to create a leg to level and stabilize the scanner. Setup requires plugging the Matter and Form 3D scanner USB 2.0 cable into the device and a wall socket. Another cable connects the unit to a laptop or desktop computer. Once combined, users venture to the Matter and Form website to download the appropriate software. The software is cooperative with Windows 7 Plus in 32 or 64-bit versions and Mac OS X 10.9 Plus. The PC requirement has a CPU rated at i5 or better and at least 4 GB of RAM for file storage. Scanning capability. provided with an HD CMOS sensor and 2 lasers established on an adjustable Z-axis. The device-capable scans things up to 11.5 inches broad x 9.25 inches high on a turning 7-inch turntable. The scanner captures photographs at a rate of 2,000 points per second and a resolution rate as small as 0.43 mm. The files designed print objects within 0.25 mm of the original size. Users also have the ability to adjust the scanning detail level. On the lowest resolution, scans are fulfilled in about 7 minutes. On high resolution, the project performs in up to 45 minutes. Once completed, the image is collected on either an OBJ, PLY or STL file. Users can import the data instantly to Blender, Maya, Max or other brands of 3D printing software. Though according to the user guidebook, the scanner comes calibrated. A 3D scanner review exposes that users obtain optimal results by calibrating the device before each scan. Starting a scan just requires placing an object on the turntable and pushing the scan button. After performing a scan, use the Save Now option, which stores the image in the MFC form. In this process, if a software glitch should happen, you will not have the annoyance of forgetting to rescan. Then clean up the image as required and preserve in the aspired file system. For the best scan results, the object must be appropriately lit and not have a semi-gloss or high-gloss covering. Be wary of framework images that might distort the scan. If possible, place some white backdrop behind the object. High-quality scans made simple. A moving HD camera fixture with dual lasers and a rotating platform makes scanning 3-dimensional objectives smooth, speedy and accurate. After a one-time setup, effectively place an object on the scanner. Click a button to scan and watch it go. Features: quick scans. Complete high-resolution scans in as little as 5 minutes. Color scans. Capture your object in full color through our system software. Fully modeled and tested. No assembly required. Our scanners are available to use right out of the box. One-clicks watertight screens. Custom software meshing algorithms create watertight meshes, making an item ready to print or animate. Sleek, foldable design. Small desktop footprint. Great storage. And simple express. Our interracial case stores and defends the device. High precision. The HD camera produces sharp and precise scans rivaling many of the more expensive 3D scanners on demand. Bigger scan. Scan items by 18 centimeters. 7.0 in width by 25 centimeters. 9.8 in height. Unimaginable dull clouds. Capture ABR approximately 2000 points per second, giving you astonishing surface detail. Format compatibility. Save to STL, OBJ, and annoying cloud. BRLY format for superior compatibility. Real-time scanning. Watch your item form as a dark cloud. A set of data points that describe the outside surface of your object in real time as the scanner does its thing. Specifications. Scan New Life. The world's first surely affordable 3D scanner can instantly be yours. Get your intentions in actuality and fast-track the design process. High-quality scans got comfortable. A changing HD camera head with dual lasers and a rotating platform makes scanning 3-dimensional objects accessible, quick and perfect. After a one-time setup, just place an object on the scanner. Click a button to scan and follow it go. Compact, portable, lightweight, designed to slide placidly into your workspace. Maintain your scanner and workspace neat and clean with a blended case that protects both the turntable and the camera. Just fold up the base when not in use. No other protective or storage case needed. Summing up, we had a lot of joy with Matter and Form's 3D scanner and felt that many will find it just as pleasant, both novice and medium alike. The fact that it is one of the most affordable opportunities out there. You can expect it to contend with the top scanning solutions. But for what it is, it resembles function quite well. We still have a lot of getting on our part, as you can find scans out there that resulted in many useful files than ours. But the fact that you can pretty much plug it in and start working with it is a great bonus. The software is quite easy and a lot of fun to support. You get a handful of arrangements to preserve your scans as, and a lot of the scans result in a print-worthy file if you do have a 3D printer handy. Single-colored, non-reflective, reliable gadgets are the easiest to study, as they tend to result in a high scan in only one try.